Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Skype. A JavaScript error occurred in the main process of Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. From your search bar, type for app data and let it start to run. So like that one, open that one, tap OK and tap that local file. So let's open it and then tap for package and open that file. Now under package, tap this Microsoft desktop app installer. So let's look for the Skype. So these are all your app data packages. So we have there the Skype app, and delete that file. So once you've deleted that, next thing is we're going to make sure that you have closed the Skype application in order to continue the process. So close the app, the Skype app, and try again. So go to your Microsoft Office and try to look for the supported Visual Studio. So let's install this or download this to our computer and make sure that we choose the updated ones to support with our computer. So once you have chosen the version that is compatible with your window type, then you can start downloading that and then try to open your settings and then tap on look for the app data, or you can just go to your apps and tap settings or Skype. So try to tap advanced option and we will try here to repair and reset the application. So if the application is not working right, then you can just restart, you can just repair and just log in back to its app. So that's it. Hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.